Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh, voiceover coach. Today's tip comes from part 1 of our Power of Focus series, one task at a time. People will try to convince you that multitasking will increase your productivity, but this is rarely the case. I believe that you'll benefit even more by focusing on one task at a time. Many people see no problem with switching between multiple websites and apps. The problem is, each one of these switches comes with a cost to your focus. When you focus on one task at a time, you drastically reduce the number of switches you make. It's easier to rebuild your focus when you keep these switches down to a minimum. You can improve your focus and how long you sustain it by regularly concentrating on one task at a time. Multitasking is the opposite of this. You need to make a number of switches to try and get everything done when you're multitasking. This is not good for your focus, and most likely it won't produce the results you want. When you multitask, you spread your attention, and the simplest task takes longer to complete, not to mention what it does to your stress level. When you focus on one task at a time, you lower your stress level. You'll then tackle each of your tasks in turn and find the process to be much more satisfying. Your brain wants you to concentrate on one task at a time, and when you do this, you can unlock the potential it has to offer. Focus on one task at a time and become more creative. There'll be a keyword for the day in each video in this 4-part series. If you present all 4 correct words when asked for at the end of this series, you'll be eligible to win a pair of high-quality Sennheiser headphones. The word for today? Concentration. This is Joe Lesh, voiceover coach. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday, the first and third Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra for voiceover tips from Booth Camp. It's time to get your mojo working.